Did you know for 2025 Mr. Trappex has made some adjustments to the flue gas analyzer probe angled adapter? Now he's not just made it a yellow colour, he's actually put this little rubber boot on the end, because engineers were complaining that when they were using these little angled probes they were falling out of the sample point. So one of the old ones, as you put it in, will not hold itself up. But with the alterations to the new one, you can now see it will hold itself in. So hopefully now Mr. Trappex won't be getting any more complaints.